Hi guys, I'm Dr. Joe Brown. So what we're going to do today is we're going to kind of do a how-to video or why you want to use the SD501 alkaline water machine from KANGEN. Why I have not only this unit in my office, but I actually have another unit in my house. So what I want to do here today, just so that many people ask me, why do we want to use the KANGEN unit versus different machines out there? Why do we want to spend the dollar amount on this one versus some of the competitors that are a little bit cheaper? And quite frankly, why did I, Dr. Brown, for both my office and my family, why did I choose to use these machines? So what I'm going to do here with you is I'm going to walk you through, and this is most likely going to be a two-step or three-step video process here. So you're going to want to look for video number 2, video number 3 here, because I'm going to try to take my time and walk you guys through why we're using, what functions we're using, how this works, how the setup goes, and everything else, okay? So let's get started here. So the first thing that I'm going to describe to you is when you purchase one of these machines, okay? And the machine that I have, this is an SD501. It's from a Magic. It's the KANGEN alkaline water machine, okay? So literally, there's nothing that you need to hook up anywhere. You don't need to call out a plumber, a mechanic, or anything like this. You're going to plug it into whatever outlet, which is right here, and then it comes with about 16 or 17 different attachments that will hook up to any faucet, okay? Even those faucets, some of those new faucets that pull out, there are attachments that myself and my patient care coordinator has that we can actually hook right up to this for you, okay? So bottom line is there's no mechanical stuff to get done. There's no hooking things up underneath the sink or anything like that. You literally plug the machine in, and it comes with about 16, 17, 18 different attachments that enables you to hook this up right to the faucet, okay? So let's get started here. When you turn the water on at your sink or your garage or your bathroom or wherever you're going to put this, most people just put it on their kitchen counters, you can still wash your hands, do dishes, things like that. As you can see, I've still got water coming out below here, okay? Now, when I want to use the actual machine, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this from tap water, I'm going to turn this up to ion, okay? At the same time, I'm pressing the power on. And what this is doing here is this is actually pushing water from the sink here into the machine. The water is going through this filter 3 or 4 different times. And as you can see here right on the machine or right on the filter, it was going to take out your lead, your chlorine, your heavy metals, pesticides, different organic compounds that obviously we don't want to be drinking. Okay, that's the reason why nobody wants to drink tap water. So after the water goes from your tap into this filter a number of times, back behind this area of the machine, there is 7 ionizing plates. And these plates, and this is one of the key components of why I purchased this machine and not one of the other ones, is in this machine there are 7 ionizing plates about this size in diameter, okay? So what you need to remember is that this water is going from this tap into this filter here. It's passing through this filter a number of times, and then that water is passing by these ionic plates, okay? Which is literally just the machine is plugged into the electricity, which is causing a positive surge on one side and a negative surge on the other side of those plates. It is passing water up and down each side of those 7 ionizing plates, okay? So what you're going to do here is you're going to run the water, and I like to run the water just a little bit slower, because the slower you run the tap water, the slower it is going through that filter, which means the slower it's passing all of those ionizing plates, okay? This side of the plate that has a positive charge is pulling negative ions in this direction, and this side of the plate that has a negative charge is pulling positive ions towards that direction. What that's doing is when the water is passing by these plates, it's pulling positive ions in one direction and negative ions in the other, okay? Why is that important? That is how you get alkaline water out of this spout, and if you can see this spout here, which is running down the drain, this is the spout that releases the negative ion water or the acidic water, okay? So the negative ion water comes out of this spout right here, and the positively charged ions that are being pulled in the other direction that water comes out of this spout, and this is where you're getting your alkaline water at, okay? Now, if I can have you zoom in here for a quick second at the different medical grades of water. You have 6 different medical grades of water right here, okay? Now, we have 9.5 water, which is very alkaline. 9.0, 8.5, we have what's called for medication, or a pH of 7.0. We have a beauty care water, which is at pH 6.0, and we have a pH 2.5. This is the very acidic water, which eventually comes out of this spout down here that I was pointing to earlier, okay? So essentially, again, why do most people want to buy this machine? Why do people talk about drink alkaline water for cancer patients, for people who are run down, or quite frankly, anybody? These are some of the things that we're going to go into here in a second. So the first thing I wanted to kind of show you here in video number 1 is what machine did I use and why, and how easy is it to literally hook this machine up and to get this working, okay? So I'm Dr. Joe Brown. This is step 1, or part 1 of this video series. We're going to do this in kind of a couple different series here, okay? So this is part 1 of that. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll get all my daily free videos, including the ones that are coming after this. And check out part 2, because I'm going to actually go into the specifics of the water and why you want to use alkaline water versus acidic water, and when's the proper time to use each one of them, okay? So again, I'm Dr. Joe Brown. Thanks for watching. And again, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you. Tired of living in pain? Stop taking all the over-the-counter medication that's destroying your liver. Try my all-natural pain inflammation product. Stop the back pain, muscle pain, and joint pain today. To order this product, or to see a complete list of all Dr. Brown supplements, contact me at drjoebrown.com.